Hey, what's going on, guys? Extra56 today, and we're back with another episode of BattleGrounds BattleGrounds. Now, in this episode, it's two different games of me playing. One of them, I died. The other one, you can kind of figure out what happened. But I just want to show this to you today because I didn't need a quick video, but I wanted to show like some of the games that I don't record or do record and completely fail at. But I hope you guys do enjoy, and if you do, be sure to drop a like down below. Comment if you want to see more, subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Okay, well. Go. Okay. Now that my... Okay. And there's no AR, is there? What's that? I'll take a frag. Why not? But now that my nose isn't trying to make me sneeze, we can go and we can try and find this guy that I know is over here somewhere. Jump. Really? You can't jump over a tiny little fence? Thank you. There's nothing in there. Looks like to be something in there, though. I'll actually switch out for that. Because this one's a lot better. Is he in that house, or is he farther over? Not sure. Is that a bathroom? That door's not open, so... you would think... maybe he went that way instead of going to the house. But should have went around the other way. I'm recording. Well, yay. Interruptions. Well, I guess he's not here, so that's always a good thing. We think. Still being cautious, but I don't think he's here, so. And there's nothing in here. Cool. Yay. I have a pistol. It's so good. Where do I want to go next? Let's figure that out. Well, safe zone's there, so let's head this way. Rocks, yay. Oh no. Run! No red zone for me. Another thing, before we get too far into the video, I'm sorry if I don't talk as much, or I don't talk as loud, or as vividly, or whatever. It's because I'm recording this like 20 minutes after I woke up, so yeah. That's always fun. I'm going the wrong way. But it'll be okay. Am I still going the wrong way? What the heck? Oh, I'm like... is that it way over there? It is. Okay. Well, I guess that's where we're going. Bombs. Yay, bombs. I love bombs. They always kill me. Actually, I've never been killed by a bomb before, so Or a grenade, for that matter. Come on. I hear a plane. Any open doors? I don't see any open doors. So hopefully nobody's been here yet. Look inside and see if... No, there's closed doors, so... I'm gonna say it hasn't been looted yet. But again, there's always a chance that it could have been, so we're gonna take it slow. Do I have level 2 or level 3 on it? Level 2. Nothing. One more room. Is that a backpack? I will take backpack. Backpack is always good, because backpack is life, and I've... No, oh, okay. Okay. Even if I don't get anything else in this house, that was, like, worth it. Not that. That. No. 45 AC. Why is this red zone following me around? I don't like it. Okay, well, I'm safe now. I will take you. Okay, well. Nothing. Nothing. And UMP. That works. Oh, I want that. Give me that. Here we go. Did it seriously not reload? Ah. Switched too quickly. My bad. My bad. Okay. One more room. And we're good. Okay, well. There's that. And nothing. That. I knew I had one more thing for that. Now I just need a sight. 1 mag, 2 mag. Even though I only actually took out 1 in reality. Okay, so where do I want to go next? Should we go here? We're gonna go there. We might head this way. If not, probably gonna die. Well, technically we could die anywhere we go, but I feel like we'd definitely die going this way. Oh, this is the place that I normally drop at. Yeah, I like this place. Gives me lots of loot. Until I die by a shotgun from somebody that dropped way after me. But, you know, other than that, this place is good for loot. Is the door open? Yes, it is. That door's not open. That door's open. So it looks like it's been searched already. So we are maybe going to get to kill. Okay. Well then. I don't know if he was inside the house or outside the house, but there's that. I died. I died. Well then. Darn. Well, anyways. Now that I have my mic plugged in and everything, we killed 2 people. Seen 3 people. The third dude got killed by this first dude I killed. So that's where we're at, and that's what we have. So yeah, we're doing okay, I would say. Now we're up to 3 kills. I'll take that any day. Let's see what else he had. That's what we'll take, and we'll go right upstairs with this. And we'll sort it out here. 4x scope. Vertical foregrip. And that's it, I think. Oh, well, we gotta run. That's great. Can I put this on here? No, I can't. Darn. It sucks. Well, we need to start. Why am. What the heck? Okay, it's being very, very jumpy. And we're just gonna. I am going the complete wrong direction. Let's use one of these. Okay, well. I'm not sure where that came from, but let's keep going anyways. So far, so good, I would say. Now we just have to make it up here. I don't see anybody yet, so I think we're pretty good. I'm sorry I didn't record the first half of this. This was my first game today, so... Okay. I don't need 9mm. Well, I think that guy was trying to run me over. Didn't really work though. I don't like having the low ground in situations like this. But neither do I like the high ground, so I guess it's kind of a lose-lose situation. Because with the problem with the high ground is that, yes, you can see more, yes, you have a higher vantage point and all that, but everybody wants the high ground, so they're gonna know somebody's up there and actually think to shoot up there instead of being on the low ground. People don't think you're gonna be there, and then oh, there's a zone. That's great. That's really, really great. I guess let's run. Can I stop? Like, what is this jumpiness right here? I'm pretty sure it's like the server. The connection to the server is like pooping out for me, and I don't like that. If that loses me the game, I'm gonna be very mad. Please be an open container that I don't die in. Come on. Open container, open container. Open. Not open container. Yeah. No, get to the house, get to the house, get to the house, get to the house. We're good. Oh my god, it's so loud outside. Are you kidding me? The game just crashed.